Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have for you a digital scrapbooking layout that I'm making in Photoshop. And you saw there at the beginning of the video, I'm using the January Good Life collection from Pixel Scrapper, which was out at the time that I made this layout in January. Since it's the first week of the year, there is only one page to this spread, since it will be the first page in my photo book at the end of the year. There won't be any corresponding page. I just get started quick with week one. I don't have any filler pages at the beginning, so keep it as simple as possible. And so I'm just starting here by filling in all of the papers in the background. And now I will put in the elements, and I didn't have, it looks like, too many photos this week, so it worked out well for a single page spread like this. And then I will just use some of my favorite elements from this collection to fill in the empty spaces. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.